Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss you class 10th biology chapter How do organisms reproduce. We have discussed in previous classes about reproduction, that means reproduction in flowering plant, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Today I will discuss you reproduction in human beings. Reproduction in human beings, that means let us begin at an apparently to unrelated point. All of us know that our body changes as we become older. Our height increase from class 2nd to class 10. That means to your age responsible for your standard. So we discussed about the characters, that means primary and secondary sexual characters. Primary sexual characters are those present at birth, whereas secondary sexual characters are those developed at puberty. First of all, we know about puberty. Puberty is a process of spending age of human male and female at which reproductive organ become functional. Gonads start producing gamete and sex hormones, and boys and the girls becomes sexually mature. That means we can say that it is attained between the age of 13 to 14 years in male and between 10 to 12 years in female. In male, puberty is triggered by the secretion of hormones, that is testosterone, that means to secrete from testes. The hormones brings about the development of secondary sexual characters during the puberty and maintain these throughout adult life. In female, puberty is triggered by the production of hormones estrogens. That means you can see progesterone that is secreted from ovary. These hormones brings about the growth and maturation of the reproductive tracts and developed of secondary sexual characters. Puberty changes to girls and childs into women's fit to bear the children's. And secondary sexual characters in human males, that is a characterized by step by step. These steps: first, enlargement of penis and scrotals, and second, broadening of the shoulders and increase the muscles development, enlargement of larynx and thickening of vocal cord, producing depending of the voice, growth of pubic hair and extra hair on the faces is armpits and on the chest. Changes is the behavior associated with courtship and mating and increase in height. Secondary sexual characters in humans female. The secondary sexual characters in humans females are these: first, growth of breast and external genitalia, that means vulva, growth of pubic hairs and extra hairs in the armpits, hair on the beard, mustache and chest or legging, broadening of pelvis, initiation of menstruation and ovulation, and increase in the subcutaneous fat, particularly in thigh, shoulder, buttocks and faces. Thank you.